Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a very exciting first look at what could be one of the most anticipated sports car revivals in recent automotive history, the 2026 Toyota GT2000. For decades, enthusiasts around the world have dreamed about Toyota bringing back the spirit of the legendary 2000 GT, a vehicle that remains one of the most beautiful and collectible Japanese sports cars ever built. The 2026 Toyota GT2000 aims to capture that same magic while embracing modern performance, cutting-edge technology, premium craftsmanship, and everyday usability. It is designed to honor Toyota's incredible heritage while introducing a new generation of drivers to a truly special grand touring sports car. As we approach the vehicle, the first thing that immediately grabs attention is its stunning design. Toyota's designers have managed to create a shape that feels both timeless and futuristic. The proportions are classic sports car perfection. A long hood, low roofline, wide stance, and muscular rear haunches create a silhouette that looks fast even when standing still. The front fascia is beautifully sculpted. Slim LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, creating an aggressive yet elegant expression. The lighting signature is instantly recognizable and gives the GT2000 a unique identity. During both daytime and nighttime driving, the front grille has been carefully integrated into the design. Rather than relying on oversized openings, Toyota focuses on clean aerodynamics and purposeful styling. Large, lower air intakes help channel air toward the cooling systems while enhancing performance every angle of the front. End reflects careful attention to detail. The hood features subtle character lines that guide airflow while adding visual drama. The result is a sports car that looks sophisticated rather than overly aggressive. Moving along the side profile, the proportions become even more impressive. The low-slung body sits close to the ground, emphasizing performance and agility. The wheelbase has been optimized to provide excellent balance while maintaining beautiful proportions. The sculpted side panels create a sense of motion, while the flowing roofline smoothly transitions into the rear deck. This elegant shape pays tribute to classic grand touring cars, while incorporating modern aerodynamic principles. Large alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly. Depending on trim level, buyers may choose from various wheel designs ranging from lightweight, performance-focused options to premium forged alloys. The side mirrors have been carefully designed to minimize wind resistance while maintaining excellent visibility. Flush door handles contribute to the sleek appearance and improve aerodynamic efficiency. As we move toward the rear, the GT2000 reveals one of its most attractive angles. The rear design is muscular, elegant, and unmistakably sporty. Slim LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, creating a modern and premium appearance. A subtle rear spoiler improves aerodynamic stability without disrupting the clean design language. The rear diffuser helps manage airflow underneath the vehicle while contributing to overall performance. Twin performance. Exhaust outlets hint at the power hiding beneath the hood. The overall rear design strikes a perfect balance between elegance and aggression. Opening the door reveals an interior that immediately feels special. Toyota has created a driver-focused cockpit that combines luxury with performance. Every surface, material, and control has been designed to enhance the driving experience. The dashboard layout is clean and purposeful. High-quality, leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and brushed aluminum trim create an upscale environment. The craftsmanship throughout the cabin reflects Toyota's commitment to premium quality. The seats are among the highlights of the interior. Sport seats provide excellent support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable during long-distance journeys. Premium stitching and carefully selected materials elevate the overall experience. Drivers can adjust seating positions extensively to achieve the perfect driving posture. Heated and ventilated seat functions are expected to be available on higher trim levels. The steering wheel has been designed specifically for enthusiastic driving. Its shape feels natural in hand, and the materials provide excellent grip. Integrated controls allow drivers to manage key functions without distraction. Behind the steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster. The display offers customizable layouts that can prioritize performance data, navigation information, or traditional gauges depending on driver preference at the center of the dashboard. A large infotainment display provides access to navigation, media, smartphone connectivity, vehicle settings, and performance information. The latest Toyota software ensures smooth operation and rapid responsiveness. Wireless Apple, CarPlay, and Android Auto integration are expected to come standard. Advanced voice controls and connected services further enhance convenience. One of the most impressive aspects of the cabin is its blend of luxury and practicality. While clearly focused on performance, the GT2000 remains usable for everyday driving. Storage compartments, cup holders, and cargo space have been thoughtfully integrated. Under the hood is where things become truly exciting. Industry speculation suggests that the 2026 Toyota GT2000 could feature a powerful turbocharged six-cylinder engine, potentially producing between 400 and 500 horsepower, depending on the final configuration. Toyota may also introduce hybrid performance technology derived from its motorsport programs. Such a system could enhance acceleration while improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Acceleration is expected to be extremely impressive. Industry estimates suggest a 0 to 60 time well under 4 seconds. This would place the GT2000 among some of the most capable sports cars in its segment. Power delivery is expected to be smooth, responsive, and engaging. Engineers have likely focused on creating a driving experience that feels connected and rewarding rather than simply chasing performance. Transmission options may include an advanced automatic gearbox as well as a potential manual transmission for enthusiasts who prefer maximum driver involvement. The CHASSIS has reportedly been engineered to deliver exceptional balance and precision. Lightweight construction techniques help improve agility while maintaining structural rigidity. Suspension tuning focuses on providing both comfort and performance. Adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road conditions, allowing the vehicle to transform from a comfortable Grand Tour into a sharp sports car at the touch of a button. Steering response is expected to be quick and accurate. Toyota understands that sports car enthusiasts value communication and feedback, and the GT2000 aims to deliver exactly that. Braking performance is equally impressive. Large performance brakes provide strong stopping power and excellent resistance to fade during spirited driving. The driving experience is expected to combine confidence, excitement, and refinement, whether cruising along coastal highways or exploring winding mountain roads. The GT2000 promises to deliver memorable experiences. Safety remains a priority despite the performance focus. Toyota's latest safety suite is expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, parking assistance, and numerous advanced driver assistance technologies. One area where the GT2000 distinguishes itself is exclusivity. Unlike mass-market sports cars, this model is expected to be produced in limited numbers, making it particularly attractive to collectors and enthusiasts. When discussing pricing, industry analysts expect the 2026 Toyota GT2000 to start between $70,000 and $90,000, depending on trim level and equipment. High-performance variants with additional technology and premium features could exceed $100,000. While that may seem expensive for a Toyota, this vehicle occupies a completely different category from the company's mainstream lineup. It serves as a halo car designed to showcase Toyota's engineering capabilities, design excellence, and performance ambitions. Competitors may include premium sports cars from Porsche, BMW, Mercedes-A, MG, Nissan, and Lexus. However, the GT2000 offers something unique, a combination of Japanese craftsmanship, heritage-inspired design, advanced technology, and expected reliability. But for driving enthusiasts, the return of the GT2000 represents more than just another sports car launch. It symbolizes Toyota's continued commitment to exciting vehicles that inspire passion and create emotional connections. The 2026 Toyota GT2000 successfully blends heritage with innovation. Its elegant design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, powerful performance, and everyday usability make it one of the most intriguing sports cars on the horizon. Whether you're a longtime fan of the original 2000 GT, a collector seeking something special, or simply someone who appreciates beautiful automobiles, The new GT2000 has the potential to become one of the most memorable sports cars of the decade. As more information becomes available, excitement surrounding this remarkable machine will only continue to grow. Based on everything we've seen so far, Toyota may be preparing to deliver a modern icon worthy of carrying one of the most respected names in automotive history.
You smell good.